Welcome back. I'm going to try and make a repair section that I showed you for the bonnet. I just got a piece of wire here, and I'm going to try. The only problem is the paving stones are bloody rough. You know, it's like I'm like Fred Flintstone. I feel like Fred Flintstone. The conditions are barbaric, really. But hey, I've tried doing a test piece, laying the wire on a piece of hard wood, but the wood wasn't hard enough. The wire just literally just sunk into the wood before it caused the flange on the metal. So it's clearly going to, I don't know, I think it will make a bit of a mess of the underside of the metal, but never mind, we can always try and dress that out. Let's I'm just sort of doing a test piece here, really, see what happens. So I'm just going to use a rubber mallet, and I'm expecting to be able to chase probably about 30%. You know, I won't get the whole sort of shape in. That will have to be done. If I can get the basic shape, which I'm going to do here now, I'll show you. I'll chase it in with a chisel afterwards, and let's have a go. It'll either work or it won't. I'll have to think of something else if this doesn't work. It's going to make a hell of a row. There's one. Yep. You can see it's not great, but I've got the rough shape in. I think I need a little bit more. I need about 10 inches in total. So let me just do a little bit more. There we go. Missed entirely. Look at that. Done it completely in the wrong place. Never mind. Let me just. Actually, I'm not going to stop. I can easily knock that out. Let me see if I can detail it a bit more now. Now that I've got the basic shape in, I should be able to sort of detail it. Let's see. There we go. Now then, I'm going to try with it's quite a blunt chisel. I don't want anything too sharp because it will simply cut the steel. Conditions are just ridiculous, but it just shows you what you can do if you've got a will to do it with zero materials. I don't know. I said materials, I meant tool, facilities. Yeah, it's a bit bloody rough. You see the idea. I'm gonna have to come up with something better because it's too rough. The chisel's too sharp. See, it's putting gouges in there. I could do with an aluminium chisel, actually. I don't know. I'll come up with something. Maybe let's have a look. What else could I use? Piece of round bar, perhaps. Would that work? I don't know. But I'm gonna have to. This is just clearly a practice piece, but you get the idea. It's going to take a lot of faffing and fiddling about, but that's it's clearly going to work. But I need to find some better tools. Could do with that. I need because the paving stone's too rough. It's driving all of the what's it? Not grit, but the concrete, the stone within the concrete. It's driving that into the workpiece. Let's just try. It's not bad. It's not too bad. Actually, you know, I think working straight onto the paving stone is preferable to using the steel. Actually, it's not bad. Actually, no, it's not bad. So this will have to have a 90 degree fold, and it'll all be trimmed down. But you get the idea. I'm not going to film this whole thing because it's probably going to take me an hour and a half of, you know, messing about like this, bashing and crashing, and yeah, I certainly won't be filming the whole lot. That needs to be a lot tighter. It's simply too wide. I need to, let's have a look, get the wire. Yeah, it needs to be a lot sort of tight into the wire, a sharper crease. But you know, you can see that this will work with a bit of patience. But I'm not going to film the whole lot because it's going to take me an awful long time, and this will be very, very tedious. I'll you know, when I've got the section a lot more developed, I'll bring it back to camera and show you what I've achieved.